Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. So in this video here, we have a package here. So inside this package are two phones, two smartphones, Android phones that is supposedly either got rejected by the factory or when someone bought it and they unboxed it, something does not work and they return it and they get a new one. They're defective product. There you go. They're defective phones. We're not gonna expect anything. I'm happy there's a phone inside here, so we're just gonna unbox it, shall we? Alright, we're gonna peek there of a Smash Stop logo right there. Let's see here. So first phone is the Samsung Galaxy Young. Alright. This is actually my first Android phone, guys, and the box is a little bit dusty here. So there's the first phone. That's the second phone is an LG Stylus 2. Wow. I never have this phone. I think one of my friends has one back in the days. So let's see which we're gonna open up. We're gonna open up the LG first here. There's something inside here, thank God though. So let's gonna open it up. And there's a phone here. Okay, looks like there is a phone here. Okay, let's open it up. There's the phone. There's a big phone. Okay, what's the phone here? Alright, it's light. Let's put it to the side. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is already worth the price, looks like. We got an original micro USB cable here from LG. We got an original power brick. Oh yes, it is. We got an original LG headphones, guys. Nobody have this anymore. We got a documentation and we do not have a battery. This is where the battery packing is. Here's the phone, and yes, it feels light. So let's open it up here. Oh, looks like we got a crappy screen protector installed that's full of bubbles. Here's the back. In terms of the condition, we got some little scratchy scratch here. Scratchy scratch. I think this is where the pen is. Oops, there's the pen. Oh yes, we do not have a battery in this phone. So I will see one thing here. Can we try to make this semi working here? What happens when we plug it in? It's vibrating. It's showing some signs. Okay, this is so far so good. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna get a battery for this phone, and we're gonna unbox the other phone here. Alright, here is the Galaxy Y. Like I said, this is actually my first Android phone. I got this phone while everybody using a BlackBerry, and Android is still a new thing. It's a cool phone that you can touch, you can play games, you can do this and that and do that. So I think this is a different variant actually, because this is the S5 360. So I got on in the CDMA model. This one I think is the GSM model, yeah. Alright. We got a phone. Ooh, we got a phone, ladies and gentlemen. It looks like it's still in nice condition. We got the screen protector and everything. Alright, so we got a pamphlet here that says the camera is blank and the battery is bloated. Okay, that's alright. I'll open the box. Ooh, look at a CD. Not just another CD. A mini CD, guys. Have you guys seen this in a while, huh? A mini CD, what I'm saying, bro. That's full of fingerprints. Is this fingerprints or adhesive? I think this is adhesive actually. Yeah. Okay, so this is manual book and the warranty. Alright. A pair of headphones. Next is the, oh yes, it is a bit bloated, guys. Yeah, it is a bit bloated. Next, we got a charger that is official Smash Snug charger that is still connected to the brick. Micro USB, alright. And we got an original, I haven't seen this cable in a while too, an official Smash Snug cable. Alright, so here's the phone that is still on its packaging plastic. Let's open it up. Whoop. Oh, yes sir, it is. This is still brand new, guys. Wow. You can see that? It's still got the seal at the back. The size doesn't have a sticker. Oh, so this has been opened. You can see there are a bunch of fingerprints, but the back cover and the front screen still has that screen protector. Nice, look at that. Galaxy Young, yeah, remember guys how small Android phone used to be. Okay, wow, here it is. Yeah, everything is basically the phone itself. Physically it looks nice, but the battery, like I said, like it says on the note, is a bit bloaty. So yeah, it can't even fit perfectly. Look at that. Let's see if we still have any juice on this bloated battery here. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, so I bet you guys still fell off immediately. No! Whoa! It's still holding up! Alright guys, so I apparently have a phone here. It's a Samsung Galaxy Chat with a QWERTY keyboard that has the same battery as this phone. So I charge it up. I'm gonna put this battery inside that phone. Let's see what works or not. It's the same. There we go. So we'll see here. Will this phone works in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it works. Look at that. All right. It works, looks like. Okay, this brightness is a little low. Yep, it works. Wow. About phone. This is the S5 360 running Android 2.3.6. Let's go to home. Let's check the Samsung checking thingy. There we go. Red. Screen looks good. Screen looks good. Screen looks good. Receiver. Let's go to mega camera. As you can see, this one will not work. So you can see there. Oh, it works. Oh, it works. But it's glitched out. Oh, camera failed. Magnetic sensor is working. Touch. Oh. Pass. There we go. Speaker. Let's go sub key. This one, this one, this one, this one. This one works. There we go. SD card is detected there. Testing, testing, testing. Unos, dos, tres, cuatro. It works. The microphone works. Okay. Charging. Looks like we are good.
Tomorrow.
Alright guys, so here we have the battery for these two phones. Here's the Galaxy battery. There's the LG battery. Beast mode activated. Alright, you know, some of these not so fakey original battery, but this battery on it. See if that works. Yes it is. Sealed. Break that seal. Alright. See if it will fit. Oh, it does not fit. It doesn't fit. Alright, so you won't believe this, what I just found. I just searched on Google an LG Stylus 2 and it's different. You guys see there? Can you see this? And you see this? It's different. No wonder it does not fit. So let's see what this phone is, because I have no idea. See here, this is an LG Stylo 3. I bought the wrong battery all this time. LG Stylus 3.
Later.
Well, this is a different battery. 44E1F. This is 45B1F. Alright, let's see if this fits. Oh, life's good when you're playing more. This is actually the same battery as the V20, so that's why I got this little thing. And it fits. Okay, so let's turn the phone on here in 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Oh, there we go. There we go. LG, life's good. All right. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see the touch works. Oh, it works, guys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It looks like everything is so far so good. It's still too bright. LG Stylus 3, so the box got me mistaken of buying yet another wrong battery here, almost. Alright, this is the M400DK. This is supposed to be Android 7 maybe? Where is it? Software information. Yep, Android 7.0. Yeah, the power slash fingerprint button here doesn't really, see? It doesn't click that well. You have to really press it down. That's why on the first try I thought that this doesn't work. Okay, so speaker works, looks like. Let's try the volume buttons. Alright, let's try the feature that the Galaxy Y cannot, the camera. And it works. It works, but can't focus. It can. Whoa. Testing 1, 2, 3 of this rejected factory LG Stylus 2 that I almost thought. this is what Stylus 3. Where's the stop button? Knock code. Look at that, guys. This is what I like about LG, man. You guys remember knock code, man? Hide. Yes. Scan the fingerprint here. Let's see if it works. All right, it scans. Yo, it scans. Okay, wrong finger here. It vibrates. Right finger. Storage. 16 gigabyte. Ooh. 2 gigabytes of RAM. Oh no, 2.8. 3 gigabytes. So this one is 3/16. So this one is 3/16. How much this phone is on the used market? Hold on here. All right, LG Stylus 3 here. Let's check on the used market. 850,000, 600,000, 1,000, 1 million. And this is how much I paid for this Stylus 3, right? From the picture it says Stylus 2, but it was Stylus 3. This how much? 95,000 rupiah, which is $6. $6.15, yo. Let me know in the comments if this thing is worth it for $6, yo. So yeah, I got the Galaxy Young also for $6. So in total, I got these two phones. One of them is brand new. One of them is, I don't know, it's kind of used. For $12, yo. $12. Let me know in the comments is it worth it or not. Because like I said at the beginning of the video, I have no idea if these two phones will boot or is there even a phone inside it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys like this type of style of content. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.